How to make a saving leaderboard. That's easy. Alright, so let's get to work. So first insert a script into server script services and server script service. Yeah, let's just get started. And I'm just assuming that you want it to be saving, so it saves, but if you don't, then don't add the saving. But if you're gonna make it, you might as well make it saving, because why not? So, let's make it saving. So we're gonna do local data store. Oh wait, that's probably really hard to see. Hope that's better. Okay. Local data store equals game:get service data store service. Local data save, or actually we can just do save slot equals data store, or data store get. Sorry for the noise in the background. I don't know how to make them be quiet. Data store get data store, and then whatever the name is gonna be. So we just put it here. I know there's some people that don't watch this part, so they need to know how they're gonna do it. Put data store name here. It doesn't actually matter what the data store name is, but if you're gonna have it save 2 stats, you get to set a data store for each stat differently. So we're gonna name this save 1. Local save slot 2 equals data store get data store save 2. Now we need to get the player, so game.players.player added connect function. And we're gonna need to get the player, which is PLR, or that's short for player. Hit enter, and it's gonna automatically, hopefully, unless your settings are off, automatically pop up the end view. Now we're gonna do local leaderboard equals instance.new. This is probably recorded at 3 AM, guys. Instance.new folder, I think. And I'm just trying to listen, hear what's going on out there. And we need to put it in the player. Leaderboard dot name has. Don't change this. This has to stay the same. Your stats. 1 minute. I'm gonna pause. Okay, I just went over and beat my older brother up. Let's get back to work. This must stay same. Just make sure that people that don't watch it here know that it has to be the same. Then we gotta go local cache equals instance. Oh, that's what we're gonna do. Local coins is what they said they wanted. Equals instance.new, and we're gonna do a int value. The reason we're not doing the number value is because the number value can be 1.5, and we don't want it to be like that. It would get really confusing for the players that keep track of their money. So we're doing an integer, which means it cannot be points, or at least in Roblox that's what it means. I'm not sure about real math. And we're gonna put that in the leaderboard. Coins.name equals coins. Self-explanatory. Coins.parent equals, oh wait, we already set the parent, so coins.value equals, here we get to the saving part. Okay. DS, not DS, I'm just looking at my old script. I made this for a long time ago, and it's pretty outdated. And I'm trying to think about how I can make it back to the newer version. So I'm gonna do data store. Go and get get async. We're gonna get the async, and we need the user ID for this. So player.user ID. Okay, and if that means if they don't have a save, they'll set it to whatever's in the or. So that means 5 coins when you start. How much coins you get when you first play game? That's very long to read. Enjoy reading that. Okay. Coins.changed connect function. Oops, I have my insert on. If this happens to you, or like you type and it starts deleting the stuff in front of it, press insert. It's happened to me so many times that it's messed me up completely. Okay. Function, and trust me, you'll do that at least once, because you'll just accidentally do it while you're typing. Anyways, data store, set async. This is like an autosave, so that's just in case just in case they don't save. You can actually make saving buttons, which is the worst way to do it. Cause what if they forget to save? Anyways, so player.user ID, comma, cache. Oops. Remember, I'm looking at my old script and I'm confusing myself. Value. I think like someone just write this originally. Yeah. Here's my old script I used to use. I used that a while ago. Brings back old memories, I guess. Not really. Well, actually, yeah, sort of. I remember writing this. I did awful at first, then I did it again, and I made it a little bit better, and now I'm doing it again. Okay, so I'm just setting the value, and that's it. Except that we have 2 values. So, oh, also, just in case like the autosave doesn't work, player moving, connect function, player. Just in case it doesn't save then we're going to do data store, set async, player.user ID, and now this one's different because we don't have the cache as a player.leader stats dot coins dot value. Make sure we're searching for this one now. Okay, and boom, that's it. If you're doing 1, we gotta do 2 now. So essentially, we can just copy this whole line here and paste it. Local deaths equals a new int value in leaderboard death. And we're actually gonna copy this and paste it into each of these. Okay, so that's all we have to do right there. And you guys obviously start out with 0 deaths. But instead of saving it to the we don't want to save it to save slot. Oh, I messed something up. I just realized that. 1 minute. I hope you all weren't just copying along, because I realized something. This needs to be not this. It needs to be save slot. And this needs to be save slot. These need to be all save slots. Whoops, sorry about that. Hopefully I didn't ruin your whole thing. As you see, I did it. It took me a couple of seconds. Okay, then paste it, and we need to do save slot 2. Save slot 2. Okay, so now we need to do deaths, like I said. copy, paste. Oh, double click by the way. Okay. And obviously we want 0 deaths. Okay. Now this would actually work, except we need to real quickly copy this, enter, paste, save slot 2. Nope. Death. Whoops. Deaths. Boom. Okay. And that's it. No errors from the looks of it. Yep. So let's real quickly just so used to publishing once I finish it. Okay. It should work now. Let's go test it out. That's how you do 2 save slots instead of 1. Now if you messed it up, uh-oh. Just realized something. Make sure I messed something up. I'm not sure what. Make sure you have all the saves. Boom, you can't debug it. Yeah, there's nothing wrong. Actually, let's just clean this up real quick. By easily just, it might just not be good enough. Let's just move this deaths to right under it here. Death. And actually, we can go in here and space these out to make it look a little neater and easier to read it. Just put a couple dashes in between each one. Okay. So now if we go in, sorry about that, this should work now. But it's not, I don't know why it's not. It's creating, oh, it's not even creating the stats, so that means that somehow, somewhere I messed up. I'm not sure where I messed up at. Hey, it's always worked for me. I feel like I'm messing something up, and then I'm gonna realize it. I know this is a stupid mistake, and I'm just stupid. Okay, well. Oopsies, I crashed Roblox Studio by trying to change it to where I can, I realized what it was. It wasn't, API services weren't enabled in Studio and it crashed. Because for some reason, every single time I try turning it on, it crashes. Like, I go into security, and now it's on, but, like, it crashes and I click away. Don't work. Alright, so now, let's go test it out. Let's see if it saves. There was nothing wrong, it was just stopping because the API services weren't working. Okay, so let's just don't mind the avatar, that was just something funny. I had a funny idea, but it didn't work out, so hiding my identity. Not too hidden anymore. Anyways, let's see if it saves. So coins, let's set it to 99. Enter. And as you see, it's 99. Now let's stop the game. And as you see, it's looking a little, that's just it saving. And my internet's been bad lately, so of course it's not going to work that well. If you join, we should have 99, and boom, 99, it saves. But that's not all. Let's really quickly name this to leaderboard. Okay, but now you need to make it where you can get money from something, like, and change your deaths every time you die. So let's start with changing your deaths when you die. So let's real quickly make a part though that'll kill us. Easy script. I'm gonna do script.parent.touch connect function hit if hit the parent, colon find first child humanoid equals is not equal to nil, then hit the parent humanoid dot health equals 0. Okay. So now we got that, we can just close it out. Alright. So to make it work, we're gonna do another thing here. We're gonna do, actually I'm gonna do a whole nother script to make it look easier. So we're gonna go name this to death counter. Okay. Game the players, the player added function. Player character added connect function char if char.humanoid died connect function player.leader stats death value equals, I'm just gonna copy this, equals plus, so it equals itself plus how much you're gonna give them, 1 death. Okay, that should work when you die. So once your humanoid dies, it's gonna 1 more death. So yeah, every time you die, you're gonna get 1 more death. Boom, that's a death counter working. Let's wait for it to just save all the stats. Okay. Now let's add another one of these. It's purple though, because usually purple means you're gonna get something out of it. Let's go in the script and let's make it go local player equals hit dot parent colon, oh actually game dot players get player from character hit dot parent there we go, player dot player dot leader stats let's actually just copy this one out of work. We're just gonna do coin. Okay. Value equals plus 5 coins. Problem is, when we step on it, it's gonna give us 1,000,000 because there's no cooldown. Local cool equals 1. Local cool time equals 1. Oops, this thing's equal. False. No. Then if cool equals false, then cool equals true. Wait, cool time cool equals false. Boom, now let's go try it out. So this one kills us, this one gives us 5 coins. That gave me a lot more than 5 coins, so didn't it? Actually, let's just set the 0 so you can see it giving me an easier. Because it being, when it's odd number, it's going to look weird. Anyways, and you see I'm getting 5 coins every time I touch it. And it's not spamming. And if you die, you get another death. Very easy, simple thing to code. I'll leave all of this. Oh, and I'll make a, how much time do I have? Only 20 minutes, jeez. I'm gonna make a 30-minute today, because I'm gonna give you a lot of content. So because I don't think I posted yesterday. I've been like, not even busy, I just haven't been all feeling like it, so I'm gonna do it all today. But yesterday, my computer studio got somehow uninstalled. And now today, yeah, better. Oh, it's loaded. I didn't notice that. Okay. So a constant paying thing would be, actually we can probably do it just in the same one here. Let's just do a, I'm gonna make it look nice, but death counter. I'm gonna do another dash dash, 1 second. Oh yeah. Pay check, call it. Now we're gonna do, actually, no, we need to do this in a separate script. Because they have a loop in it and that'll glitch that, so. New script. Name it to payday, I guess. Okay, we're gonna wait 5 seconds before it starts. Then we're gonna do while true, do wait. We're gonna make a variable real quick called time local t pay. That means the time that pay. We're gonna make it pay every 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds. Wait, t pay. Oops. Oh, I just realized I muted myself. Oops. Okay. Time pay, and then game.players. We just need to do player leader stats coins equals player.leader. Oh, whoops. Value. Trust me, I have accidentally forgot to do the value and messed myself up lots of times. So, +5. Well, actually, we're gonna do local amount equals 5. Always make it easy for you just to change the amount or the time you have to wait. Alright, so every 5 seconds, well, it'll take 10 seconds at first because we're waiting 5 seconds. That'll give us enough time for the character to load. We can actually do, just, if the character loads, we know that the game is ready. So we're actually going to do character added, wait. Alright, so once the character's added, I'll start doing that. When the character's added, that means the player is obviously in. So I'm going to start getting 5 every 5 seconds. Boom. But yeah, as you see, every time it changes, it goes up. Of course, the queue is full now, so I have to wait for it to finish. Studio is so hard when you have that stuff. Well, I guess while I wait, I should go change my. Oh wait, never mind. I gotta change my character back to my cowboy hat guy. I think that's it. Trying to think of anything else I can teach you. I guess the next video, if you guys want, if you guys want, I'll make a paying. I'll show you how to make a paying GUI. Where, let me show you. It's in one of my games. I quit in this game. It's been ruined. It's like really laggy now. I'm not sure what happened to it. Anyways, I'll go to it real quick. This is gonna take a minute. Wait 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Here it is. Roleplay Town Early Access. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to play it. I doubt you would, because it is absolute trash. Hey, believe it or not, this is one of the games that I used to use free models in. I went around trying to delete all the free models, but that didn't work out that well. So yeah. This thing where you can go over and you can pay someone. This is the player and the amount, and you click cash. If you also want, I can teach you how to make an admin's UI like this, where you can like warn people, and it'll pop up on the screen. Hope it's just being real laggy. And you can give people cash. Look, watch me guys. I have 1,000 right now. Now I have 2, 3, 4, 5. The rank one doesn't work because I don't have. I need to figure out how to rank groups. I was actually just working on that one. The kill works. I just kill myself. And the kick works. And we put a reason. The reason being, I'm a noob. And kick. Oops, I spelled noob wrong. Whatever. Too late now. I'm getting kicked. At least I should be kicked. Oh yeah, that's right. You can't kick the owner. Never mind. Yeah. That's it. I guess that's it for today. That's how you make this. I'm gonna add these to the workspace. Okay, this is how you make your good models good. Then just name ungroup. Okay. So if you want me to make more videos, well, I will be always, but if you just saying, I just thought about this the other day. If you want to see these videos, of course, seriously just thought about this, if you're not subscribed, you cannot see the other videos because you won't even realize they came out until like 2 weeks after they came out. And then you're like, oh yeah, I remember this guy. Because I was thinking about it, I was actually on YouTube the other day, and I realized that there was this one channel that came out with a lot of new videos that I wanted to watch, but I wasn't subbed to them, so I didn't see them, which sucks. So I was really couldn't wait for those. Anyways, so yeah, that's why. I guess is a good reason. But that's it. Enjoy. Oh yeah, the model's gonna be in the description like always.